So just got up. Today is a new day, and today we are going to be making our way to Alcatraz. So we just arrived at Alcatraz, or more commonly known as Mob of the Dead, and it's pretty cool so far. They got rid of the gondola, Juggernog, and the Tommy Gun Walleye, which is kind of whack. Guess they did that in the 2020 patch update. But yeah, we're gonna go explore it right now and see what else is here. Yeah. Just chilling here, me and Gully, also known as Seagull. Yeah. Yeah, this has been really cool so far. The one tough thing though is that there's a lot of stuff that you're just not allowed to go to. It's just off limits because it's not safe to go. Like this, for example. I just want to go behind that fence, but I can't. Why? Look at all those chickens. So, right behind me is where the warden's house was, and fun fact, he actually burnt it down while trying to craft the fire gat. He was kind of a noob. So Alcatraz has been going pretty cool so far. Just got this cool audio tour, so now we're gonna go around the whole island of Alcatraz with the audio tour, try to learn some history of the island, and yeah, try to get some cool shots too. So we just finished the audio tour and looked around everything inside, and now we wanted to look around and see what this place has to offer on the outside. It's got a lot of cool gardens and cool flowers, just really beautiful scenery. You can see the whole city from here. And I think we're gonna head back down to the boat soon and go back to the mainland and try to do some other stuff today. That's not on Alcatraz.
Oh, when a bird shits on you, how do you feel?
Peachy.
So we caught the last ferry back and we're just docking in right now. I think we're gonna go to Fisherman's Wharf now, maybe? So we just got off of the boat from Alcatraz, and we're heading over to Fisherman's Wharf right now. It's about a 5-minute walk. Gonna get some nice seafood. I'm pretty hungry, so it's gonna hit the spot nice. And then after that, we're gonna take a tram car on the way back to the car, and then probably go back to the room. Yeah. Oh my god, dude, I was just there. Yeah.
This stop is fine.
So we just finished eating our food. We're heading back to the car now, and I'd say it was pretty good. How do you think it was, Dad?
It was amazing.
10 out of 10. Good seafood. We are back at the room after a nice full day of doing stuff in San Francisco. It was pretty good, pretty enjoyable. Don't think we're doing anything else, so I think this is where this video ends, or this day ends, whatever it is. I don't know if this is the end of the video or not. This is where the video ends, so yeah. Have a good day, everyone, and see y'all next time. Peace. Peace.